Hello children, I hope all you are doing well. Welcome to RS Home Tutor. We are in the quadratic equations in 5.3, solving the question number 10. An express train takes 1 hour less than the passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of the express train is 11 kilometers per hour more than the passenger train, find the average speed of the train. So this is about two trains, and one is express and one is passenger. So express train is covering the distance 132 kilometers, and the passenger also is covering 132 kilometers. So they both are covering same distance, but the different speeds. So normally the passenger train takes more time and express train takes less time. So the speed of the passenger train, I am taking it as x. So x kilometers per hour. Suppose I am assuming that the passenger train speed is x kilometers per hour and the express train speed is 11 kilometers per hour, more than that. So the speed is more than this one. So this is x plus 11 kilometers per hour. Why I added? So passenger train's speed plus 11 kilometers per hour. So x plus 11, the speed is more for the express train. So this is the data he has given. So in this data and the reaching points, the difference between the timings, both are reaching at 1 hour difference. So this is the data he has given. So we'll solve this sum. First of all, the basic formula is distance is equal to speed into time. So this is the main, we'll use this formula. So he has given a difference in timing is how much? 1 hour. Difference in hours is 1 hour. So that's why I am taking t as a subject. So distance by speed. So distance by speed is equal to time. The difference, I am taking the difference d1 by s1 minus d2 by s2 is equal to t. Now I will substitute each and every value. I will get the quadratic equation. If I solve the quadratic equation, then the sum is solved. So this is average speed of the express train. Average speed of express train, and this is the passenger average speed of the passenger train. Now, so distance by velocity. I am taking here the passenger train. Why? Because the passenger train takes more time. So the distance, how much it is covering? 132 by the speed is how much? We assumed the average speed is x. So x minus d2. d2 is express train covering the distance 132 by the speed of the train is x plus 11. So x plus 11. So the difference in reaching is how much? He has clearly mentioned that is 1 hour. So the difference between the two trains at the reaching point is 1 hour. So this minus this is equal to 1 hour. So we'll simplify this equation. So if I take 132 common, so you'll get it as 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 11 is equal to 1. So 132. So simplification, as you know that this will go to numerator and this will go to this numerator. So x plus 11 minus x by the product of this. So x square and x into 11. So 11x is equal to 1. So further simplification. So plus x minus x will get cancels. So what will get ultimately? 132 into 11 is equal to, this denominator I am taking to the right hand side. So 1 into this one, you will get it as same, x square plus 11x. So all these terms if I take inside, so you will get 0 is equal to x square plus 11x minus the product of this is, what will get it as 2541. Just multiply 132 11s are 145252. So if you solve this sum, you will get the value of x. So if I rewrite this one, 11x square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. So solve the quadratic equation. 1 into this one. So 1 into this one is 1452. So what are the factors for 1452? So you will get many factors, but I am writing directly here. 44 33. So if I take minus 33, 44 33 is 1452. And what are the rules for the getting the pair of factors? The product should be minus 1452 and the sum should be 11. Here the middle term it is 11, x coefficient is 11. So I hope this will be fit perfectly. 44 minus 33, 11, and 44 into minus 33, 1452 with minus 1. So I am reusing this factors. If I rewrite x square minus 1452 is equal to 0. So this is in two different ways, that is 44x minus 33x. If I take x as a common in the first two terms, left out is x and 44. If I take minus 33 common in the both last two terms, so left out is x plus 44 is equal to 0. So two different terms I have. It is differentiating with minus. I can take x minus 44 common, x plus 44 common. So if I take what is left out, so in first term x and in the last term 33 is equal to 0. So AB is equal to 0. So A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 44 or 33. And the speed cannot be negative. So I can discard this one. Why? Because of we have taken x as, so we have taken average speed of the train, passenger train is x. So that's why we can discard that. Now what you got the value? X value as 33. So what is the average speed of the passenger train is? That is 33. And this is x plus 11. 33 plus 11, that is 44. Average speed of the express train is 44 kilometers per hour. So this is all about the sum. Very simple. Both the trains covering the same distance but with the different speeds. Passenger train is x you take and the express train speed is x plus 11 you take. Then time is equal to distance by velocity, but in the sum he has given the difference of the two trains reaching point is 1 hour. So that's why time taken by passenger time minus time taken by express time difference is 1 hour. If we equate, so you will get the quadratic equation. So by quadratic equation you will get the value of x if you solve it. So this is all about the sum. So thank you very much for watching. Like my videos and subscribe and share to your friends. If you have any comments, please leave in the comment box. Thank you very much.